Okay guys, so I'm literally exporting the video, my first video of the day. Police have just been rushing down the street, Secret Service, I don't know what's going on. Let's go find out. Okay, so we're stuck in some traffic here. They're gonna have to postpone the Thunderbirds. They're at Audi Field, but I'm not gonna be able to make it down there. There's been an incident at the Vice President's house. A vehicle has collided with the security barriers. The police have a massive response, and a hazmat teams are now being called and see if there's a suspicious package inside the vehicle. Let's go show you what's going on. Something big has happened here. We've got Secret Service and DC police blocking off the entire road. No idea yet. More police cars coming down the street. Entrance to the Vice President's house. So maybe there's a car wreck, maybe something more. Disappointed. All right, barely got down here, got set up, and they just went right by me. There was two of them. I mean, I got a little bit of it, but that was it. Not the whole flight. I think tomorrow night they've got the whole flight coming over for a ceremony, but anyway, long drive. Let's go back up my neck of the woods. Let's get some Rocklands and let's get a bike and let's go out and enjoy this beautiful weather because it's crazy. So changing plans. There's an AH-64 Apache gunship on its way down the Potomac. It just passed Georgetown. The spotters got it up there. They say it could be coming here any minute. We'll stake around because I want to see an Apache. I hear it. I hear it. I hear him, I just don't see him. There he is. That's cool. Yeah, anytime we see something like that in DC, it's pretty rare. I should note that the Andrews Air Force Base open house is this weekend, so we've got a lot of cool aircraft coming into DC. We got B-2s coming in, B-1s, B-52s, Apaches, as you just saw, rivet joints, a whole bunch of other randomly rare aircraft that we don't see that often here in DC are going to be out at Andrews this weekend. I'm going to try to go. We'll see. We'll see if the wife will let me. Take a look at the sky today, guys. Ooh, what a big blue sky kind of day as we make our way by the National Cathedral on a scooter because I need to get out of my car and get back on the streets of DC the way it should be seen, ground level, not from a car window, but from a scooter or a bike or from foot. So yeah, guys, we have finally gotten rid of the car for a bit. We're going to need it a little bit later today to film the helicopter, but for right now, we're on a scooter. We're going to make our way down to Rocklands because I have not had lunch and it's almost 3 o'clock. There was a big incident at Rocklands earlier today. A car tried to ram the barricades at the Vice President's house. I filmed it earlier, you saw that, and now we're going to go down and see if we can see any of the remnants of what happened down there. Now, I think they've peeled everything away, but for investigation. But we'll take a look. So across the street, that's the Russian embassy. Things have been pretty quiet here. I mean, there's not the regular drumbeat of protests like there was early on. They've got the flags up, of course, on this side, Ukrainian flags and Ukrainian signs. Pretty much every house on this street has got something, some Ukrainian colors painted on, including this guy's fence. That was a cool dog. This place has got the big old Ukrainian flag down the side of the hotel here. And you know what, I just realized filming while going downhill on a scooter is pretty much the closest thing to death I'm going to experience today. Let's get down to Rocklets because I'm so hungry. I've had a piece of cake for breakfast and half a box of dots that I found in my car. Whoa. You know, they say money can't buy happiness, but a half a box of dots that you find under your car seat that's been there for a while, that makes me pretty happy. Alrighty guys, we are on the downwell spot. So the vice president's house is right over behind those trees, behind right field and that baseball field. And there's an alley down here that leads to it. That's the alley where the car went, well, kind of crazy this morning. Look at that, there's a bike rack right in front of Rocklets. It's like it's asking for me. All right, let's go. Old chicken and bees. These stupid bumblebees. Bees want my food. Okay, we're bee free now. We need our bee in, eat without a bee in here. So we're down here in Glover Park. This is the Good Guys Club where, well, frankly, good guys don't really go. This is a sushi restaurant, and this is the Washington Fitness Center. And then right here is an alley, yeah? And down at the end of the alley, that's the back door to the vice president's house. That is where a car crashed into the barricade. Right there next to the stop sign, a car rammed that barricade. I don't know if the car went out of control or if it was intentional, but that's what set off the big security alert, was an incident right there at that back door to the vice president's place. Strange day. Alrighty guys, we've transitioned to a bike. We're going to run around. I was gonna go downtown, but I got a couple notes from some photographers and they all said the same thing. They're like, Penguin, you got a spot on your camera sensor. He said, you need to clean your camera sensor. So we're gonna spin home real quick, clean the camera sensor, and then we're gonna go downtown and enjoy this absolutely beautiful weather. Whoa, tree. right here. And there's the Marine. See his bluish stripes? Yep. He's opening the back door. And then he'll go back to the front. There he goes back. So watch the footsteps that come off this step. That's the agent. That was the agent, and now he should come off next. That's him in the window.
Okay,
And he's talking to the pilots, it looks like. There he goes. That's his head. There's his shoes. Oh, he's coming this way. Watch the tail. Watch the tail, everybody. He might be going to talk to the press. That's him.
Oh yeah, okay.
Right there. I saw a glimpse of him. Just a second. Here it comes, guys. And he's going to turn right towards us, and that's the photo you want. There, it catches the sunlight.
He's come back?
He just came back. Excuse me. Well, that was a fun day. That was a crazy day. It's time for me to go and eat a burger or spaghetti or something. I don't know. Anyway, not every day is like this, guys, especially if you're new. Don't get used to this. Most days are pretty darn boring. Tomorrow will probably be pretty boring, but sometimes we get to see some exciting stuff. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll make another video tomorrow. I'll see you guys then.